It turns out our power is dead up here on our roof for us to do our job. So out of our 8-ton unit that's going to be down here, those are all the 14-ton units right now. So we're going to have the 8-ton unit over here next to the piping that you see, and our piping is going to come across, and my son's making the second row up here that our piping is going to come up on. We're going to come up, we're going to come over, and we're going to follow off this way. Power's dead. The old GFI up here, I put this in several years ago, and little water exposure, couldn't handle it, and it died. So I need to replace it out right now so we have some power. And so for right now, I'm not legit way. Actually, what I need to do is see if I could find GFI circuit breaker and put it in downstairs so it's not up here in the elements. Have GFI protection downstairs instead of piggybacking up here with one exposed to the elements. That's why I keep finding them failing on all the rooftops. And luckily they had a lot of spare parts downstairs from a lot of remodeling, and so I don't have to make a last minute Home Depot run, because I know I used the last of my units. Actually, one of my shops, I put in one of my shops, he had a pathetic unit, and I just changed it for him because it was making me upset because it wouldn't hold in my cord. So our power run, our refrigerant line run, is going to come up over here, and there's going to be some Y branches for our future extension, and this circuit is going to get cut off later when there's another remodel and some shifting around. So we have to put ball valves and our Ys branched off with T's and ball valves turned off for the future. So when we remove the air handlers again, say in several months or a year, we have to make it so we can utilize most of the materials and labor without completely, gutting stuff and using so much labor. Keep the cost down and try to put them in this strategic position that we can tap off of them, turn them, and apply them where they need to go. And this will be, they'll be going across all the way to the front of the building and up to the offices in several months over there, tapping off. So let's see, we got 3 air handlers over here, then we're putting the 4th in the water room over there, then 5, 6, 7, 8 hair handlers. I think there'll be a total of 8 hair handlers on this one refrigerant line circuit. And basically it's just a 1-line operation, and it just branches off like a water line. All right, I'll see you guys. Take care of this little deal right now, and I guess I'll go downstairs and turn off the power and be safe. I was doing it the old school way that I was taught when I was a kid, like by my grandfather. You just touch it with your hands like that. Yeah, it has power. Got to remember, these are not old times. We're getting older, and you got to be careful and practice safety and stop doing the old finger thing. All right guys, see you later.